Hi there, hope you're all doing well. For this week's 3D printed mini, I am painting a Warrior of the Lady from Highland Miniatures Patreon page. She has been primed in German Panzer Grey and I start off with Elven Armour. This is one of the new Army Painter metallic paints, so I had to give it a go on something that's actually like plate mail sized, and I wanted to see how it turns out realistically, because coloured armour is a bit iffy sometimes. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can ask me on my Facebook page, where there will also be high-res images of this lady as well. I do also stream on Facebook and Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time if you want to just come and hang out. Next colour is elf skin tone for her hands and the head, which are the only exposed skin she has. I then start on the robe she has over her armour using bone white. I'm going for a more warm white compared to a cool white on this, just so it got a bit of contrast to the blue armour. Now I use leather brown to do her hair and the belt around her waist, and the book she has hanging from that belt. Next I used charred brown to do the other belt she has around her and the rope for the charm thing that she's got on her back. With the bone white now dry, I use brain matter base to do the upper areas of the robes to give it that white look without changing the colour too much. I then use glorious gold to add some detail to the armour and the sword hilt. The next metallic is plate mail metal for the sword and the bit of detailing around the belt. The last colour before the washes is matte black for her eyes and the base. Now onto the washi, starting with soft tone for her skin, hair, sword hilt and the robes. I try to keep the direction I'm brushing on the robes the same, just to try and prevent sort of brush strokes from showing up. The last wash is blue tone for all of the armour. I'd also try to keep the pooling on this to a minimal, just because I don't want it to take too much shine away, and the washes tend to do that on metallic colours. And that will be it for the warrior lady. A simple mini, but will look great as a paladin or a fighter. And it's something I've got very few female options of, so it's nice to have a choice here. As always, there will be high-res photos of this lady on my Facebook and Instagram pages. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. You could also ask me live on Facebook or Twitch, where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed and want to see more content like this, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.